Welcome to Homemade Chef, where we'll be preparing different recipes every day. Today we are going to prepare pudina pulao. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So here are the ingredients that we'll be using for pulao. This is coconut, grated coconut. If you do not have grated coconut, you can still skip it. And this is cinnamon. This are cloves. This is called as Marathi Mogu. If you don't get it, you can again skip it. Star anise, bay leaf, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and we call it as gasgase. And this is coriander leaves, chilies, green chilies. Here we are using mint. By the name you know that it's pudina pulao. So we are using pudina, and along with that some coriander leaves also. And we have rice, cooked rice, onions, cut tomatoes and cut vegetables of your choice. Here right now I had the availability of only beans and carrots, so I have just used them. Now take an empty pan, and you can use ghee or oil. I'm just using ghee for flavor. This is to fry all the dry ingredients that we are going to blend. So first let us take cinnamon. Masalas you can put according to your taste, but if you want to exactly follow my recipe, you can take about 1 to 2 inches. This preparation is for 4 people, and we will take cloves 4 to 5. I generally like medium masala, so I don't put a lot. If you like it more, you can definitely add. This is Marathi Mogu. And keep in mind that star anise should be put as less as possible. Only just one piece I have cut from it, and that should be sufficient because it's generally very strong. And after this, let us put jeera and coriander seeds, and keep frying in between. Bay leaf you can either grind it or you can just put it along with rice when we make the final masala. So let us fry it well. Now I am putting green chilies. Just fry them a little. Now I am putting mint leaf. Some coriander seeds come in between. Not necessarily that you have to fry it, but we have to fry mint leaves well. Now we will put this. That's it. Okay, now this is done. You just have to lightly fry after putting mint leaf. Now when this cools down, let us make masala by grinding it in a mixer. Don't forget to add grated coconuts with it. In a big pan, let us heat some oil. I have actually added both oil and ghee because I generally like ghee. But if you want, you can just stick to oil, or you can even use just ghee also. It will taste wonderful. And I have added little mustard seeds for tempering. Now let us add onions. If you like capsicum, you can even add capsicums to it. Now you can see that onions have become soft. So now let us add tomatoes. We can add lemon also. Along with this also you can add, or you can just add lemon also. This is just to give that sour taste, but tomatoes will taste very good. We will cook until tomatoes also become soft. There are a lot of types of pulaus, and every region has a different kind of pulao and biryani. So this one is using mint. There are a lot of different types of pulavs, like coriander pulav, and biryani is also like dum biryani, and the ones which you do like this with cooked rice, and some you can directly put it in the cooker, which are like shortcuts, which I'll show in some other video. Now let us add vegetables. Just try to limit water inside it. Now add salt according to your taste at this stage. If you add it at this stage, vegetables will absorb salt very well. The blended mixture should look like this. Here also you should limit your water intake. And now let us add it. Okay, so let us add this bay leaf also. I should have added it one stage before. You can add it a little before, but nevertheless it will give you the taste. Now let us give it a very good mix. Now let us add rice. We are directly adding cooked rice, so you should ensure that it's completely cooled, and it should be a little dry. It shouldn't be soggy. Now ensure that the mixture below spreads well. You can even prepare this mixture and keep it, and when your guests are arriving, at that time you can just give it a mix. The pulav is ready to serve with raita, and if you try this, I'll ensure you that you will not go back to any biryani. Enjoy your pudina pulav. To get more content like this, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon below. Thank you.